This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone ear speaker not working. So follow these all steps carefully to fix this issue. The first solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility, touch, scroll down and tap on call audio routing and select speaker and then check the issue. And the second solution is turn on volume. Press your volume up button to increase the volume. Also, you have to increase your volume. Open your control center. You will get the volume level here. So make sure it's 100%. And then go to settings. Tap on sounds and haptics. Also from here, you can increase your phone volume and then check the issue. And the third solution is clean the air speaker grill. If you have been using your iPhone for some time, it's common for sweat, oil and dirt to accumulate in the air speaker grill and block audio. All you have to need just softly clean it using an anti-static brush, a soft toothbrush. Once done, check the issue. And the next solution is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. And the last solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, General, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. One done. Hope this will fix your problem. If none of the fixes above help you fix your iPhone ear speaker, you're likely dealing with a hardware issue, so contact Apple support and book an appointment to the Apple Care. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.